Chapter 2, Drafting. In this chapter, we will focus on developing 2D drafting skills. It is important to know how to do basic CAD before we jump into other advanced topics. We will start by covering what you may or may not already know. We'll start by doing a review of analog knowledge, and this will involve topics such as spatial organization, which you may or may not have learned in first year Environmental Design Studio. We'll also cover how to model things, both 2D and 3D. Then we'll go into transferring our analog knowledge to the digital world. We'll start by covering common drawing commands, such as how to draw a polyline, a circle, and other types of primitive shapes. We'll go into common utilitarian commands, such as how to use relative, polar, and absolute coordinates, how to use the snaps, the ortho command, and some other useful tools. We'll also cover how to use common modify tools, such as how to move, rotate, scale, copy, array, fillet, offset, trim, extend, and some other types of tools. We'll also go into layer manipulation. We'll learn about default layers in CAD, how to set the current layer, how to use the group filters to make manipulating layers more efficient, how to create layers, and how to move content to different layers. We'll then go into line work cleanup. We'll get to use the pedit command quite extensively. We'll then go into hatching, and then how to set line weights in our drawing. We'll first give an overview of what it is. We'll cover typical line weights used, or typical line weights you may want to use in your drawing. Applying NCS pen tables to your hard drive, applying line weights in your drawing, and troubleshooting when they don't work, and this tends to happen a lot with line weights. We'll also go into template sheet layout. We'll cover how to import them, how to configure them, and how to create a template drawing for future use that has everything that was covered in 2.71 and 2.72, so you don't have to repeat those steps over and over each time you need to make a new drawing. We'll then go into annotative text and dimensions. We'll cover how to configure annotative text settings, how to apply annotative text and dimensions to a drawing, and then finally we will end with plotting.